Hello guys. So today we are discussing the part 2 of top 20 SQL interview questions. So already we have discussed 7 questions in previous video. If you haven't checked it, please check out. So remaining questions I'll discuss today. So this is the first question. When is group by used? So when we will use the group by, we will use it when rows have same value in the specified column. Why we are using it? So that we can apply the aggregate functions like sum, average, count, etc. So this is one such example. We grouped it based on category, and then for the entire category we have applied sum function. Okay, so this is the usage. Next question is where versus having. So in many interviews in the round one, they ask this question, where versus having. What is the difference? So for where, before applying grouping, we will use the where. And also we cannot apply any aggregate functions on it. But having, we will apply it after using group by. And we can apply aggregate functions on it. So for having, I have added the example as well. So here it is grouped by category, and then we have applied having sum of sales greater than 50,000. So this is the usage. Next question is find third highest salary. This can be any number. They will ask fifth highest salary, seventh highest salary, whatever it is, the question, the format remains same. So what we are doing is we use the rank function, and then we have calculated the rank number 3. So rank function, what it will do is it will go and rank the numbers based on the order what you specify. So here you have specified descending order. So it will start ranking from the highest salary. So for highest salary will have 1, next 2, next 3 like that. So here you want third highest salary. So you used a query and you separated rank equal to 3. So if you don't know this function, please check it out. Rank function is very important. Next question is scalar and aggregate functions. What is the difference? So in aggregate functions, it will operate on multiple rows. What it will do is it will group a particular column based on some criteria, and then it will apply aggregate functions like sum, average, etc. So multiple rows it will take, and then it will calculate sum of those rows. But scalar is different. It will return a single value and it will work row by row. Only one row it will take. Upper means it will take one row, and whatever value is there, all those will be converted to capital letters. Similarly, round as well. So scalar will return a single value, whereas aggregate will operate on multiple rows. Next question is coalesce in SQL. So this is one of the important function in SQL. You have to know this. And also if you are working as SQL developer or data analyst or whatever role, if you are using SQL, you will use this function also in your day-to-day work, because this will help you to like deal with the cases where null values are there. So what it will do, it will return the first non-null value in a list. So this is the list, null, hello world. So first value is null, so it won't take that. Next first non-null value is hello here, so output will be hello. So what you have to say about this function is it will return the first non-null value in a list. Okay. Then moving forward to next question, primary key versus unique key. Okay, this is also very repeated question. Mostly in round one they ask this question. So primary key, it will uniquely identify the records. Unique key, it will also uniquely identify. But one thing is primary key do not allow null values, but unique key, it will allow one null value. Okay, one time null value can be included. That is the difference between these two. You have to give the on point answer for these kind of questions, because this is the key point which they look. So simply if you say both will return unique values, then they won't consider it. Okay, so this is the point you have to tell. Primary key will not allow null values, but unique key, it will allow one null value. Okay. Next question is SQL query execution order. This is also very repeated question in round one. So execution always starts from. Then it will go to where, because we have to know which from which table we have to take. Then if any group by or having is there, that will be the order. After all this, then only we will go to select, and we will select all the rows or columns whatever we need. Then we will order it, then we will limit it. Okay, just keep this order in mind, then you can answer this question properly. Next question is joins required for 8 tables. So for this, just remember n minus 1 joins are required. So if any number, so if you want to join 10 tables, then 9 joins are required. So always it is n minus 1. Next question is what are window functions? So for window functions, we have to perform calculations across related rows without collapsing data. What is the meaning? If we have one row, so with respect to that row, we can access other rows and we can perform calculations across it. Okay. So these are some of the examples which you can tell: row number, rank, dense rank, lag, lead. These are all window functions. So you can tell these are the window functions. What window functions do? They will perform calculations across the rows without collapsing or deleting the data. It will not do anything to the row data. What it will do is it will calculate row by row, and it will apply the row numbers or rank or dense rank. Okay, this is the usage of window function. Next question is difference between rank and dense rank. So this will come. This is very repeated question. So you will get it in theory. You will be asked programs on it. I mean, they will ask you to write query on it. So it is also used to calculate highest salary. So these two things you have to identify and learn properly. So rank, what it will do, it will skip numbers for duplicate ranks. So if you see here, 100, 90, 80. So for same rank, what happened? Rank returned 1, 1. Since both are same, 1, 1. But since 1 is repeated twice, it skipped second rank. So 2 is skipped, 3, 4. So 1, 1, 3, 4. For dense rank, what happens is it will not skip record. After 1, 1, they gave 2, 3. This is the difference. Okay. Next question is, what is a view? A virtual table that retrieves data dynamically. So this is a virtual table. So it will not be stored in our database. It is a virtual table. Whenever you use it, whenever you call it, then only it will calculate dynamically. Okay, this is the point you have to tell. It will not store data. It is a virtual table. Next question is use case of cross join. So why you will use cross join? Because it creates a Cartesian product. So whenever you want to check all the possible combinations, this will be used in mostly in sales projects and all, or whenever we are doing something related to calculating the all possible values, then to get all the possible combinations, we need the cross join. That is the use case of cross join. It will create a Cartesian product and it will take all the possible combinations. Next question is get top 5 states with highest sales. This is also very important question. So what we have used is we have used group by and we have applied aggregate function on it. So we grouped it based on state. Here then we calculated sum of sales. So for each state we will get the sales sum now, and then we have ordered it based on sum of sales. So we did not specify we have specified descending. So it will start ordering from the highest value because we need top 5. So highest values, it will be ordered by the maximum sales, and then we want top 5, so we have limited by 5. This is also one of the most repeated query. Okay, that's it for today. We have discussed the most common 20 interview questions. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe.